This is in low quality.
Hey, sit. Both of you sit. I want to know who chewed the tag. Who? Gemma? Lila? Did you chew the tag? Gemma? Did you? Who chewed the tag on the bed? Lila? Sit. 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 Was it you? Did you chew the tag? Don't look at mommy, look at me. Did you chew the tag? Were you the bad girl? Yes, you were, weren't you? You know you're not supposed to do that. Look at me. Look at me. You know you're not supposed to do that. Look at me. Look at me. You know you're not supposed to chew things when we leave the house. But you did it anyway. Why? Were you mad at us for leaving? You were? I don't even know what to say. You're supposed to be watching her, Gemma. You weren't watching her? Well, I'm going to figure out a punishment, and you're going to be in trouble. That's all I have to say right now. Go on. Go. Go on. Go.